investors that 4 issuers, public companies presented to, and it was great.
Hi, I'm Stephen Rossi. I'm the president and CEO of FNHI, Franchise Holdings International. We're traded on the OTCQB under symbol FNHI. Franchise Holdings International invests in high-growth companies. Its current main focus right now is Worksport. Worksport designs, produces, and distributes tonneau covers for pickup trucks. That's the covers on the back of pickup trucks. It's a big market. There's 55 million pickup trucks on the road today, and that number grows by 15 million every year. FNHI is quite interesting because on top of having a clean balance sheet and no convertible debt, at this year we're growing at a rate of over 500%. Our revenues have gone from $400,000 to over $2 million this year. The company believes that next year its revenue should exceed almost $10 million.
My name is Scott Boys. I'm CEO of MPX International. So we're a unique kind of cannabis company. We're taking the know-how that we learned here in North America and building cannabis assets in 5 different countries around the world, trying to take our technology and expand it globally and take advantage as an early mover in some of the markets in Europe and Asia where cannabis is just coming on strong. Our competitive advantage is the fact that we learned the industry here through the School of Hard Knocks. We learned how to operate dispensaries, cultivation technologies, processing technologies here in the United States and in Canada. And we can take that knowledge into these new markets where they don't have that capability and help local companies create the same type of products that we have available in North America.
My name is Matt Goldstein. I'm the co-founder of a company called Dealmaker. Our software helps issuers, broker-dealers, law firms, and anyone raising capital effectuate transactions efficiently, better, faster, and cheaper than doing it the old way. We take a set of transaction docs and spin it into a digital portal, and every investor can complete their documents using our online portal, submit their documents deficiency-free, signed electronically. The issuer can track in real time who's in and who's out and who's funded. Our company wants to work with everybody in the financial ecosystem. That means lawyers doing deals, broker-dealers raising capitals, issuers who are presenting looking for new investors, and firms that are doing investor relations and post-trade support. We create efficiencies for all players in the ecosystem.
I'm Dennis Corrin, CEO of Q Biomed. So we're really excited to be with you this evening at the Qualified Capital event here in Midtown, New York. Since we last spoke, we've recently announced our FDA approval of our manufacturing facility to produce our strontium chloride non-opiate pain palliation drug for patients with late-stage cancer that has metastasized to the bone. It's been a long road, but we're tremendously thrilled now to have this final FDA approval. We're moving ahead in executing all of our operational back office activities to get the production, manufacturing, distribution, call centers, everything that goes into bringing a drug to the market and to these patients that so desperately need it up and running as quickly as possible. We really hope to have product available for these patients by the end of January or early February next year. So it's a really busy time for us and a very exciting time for our company. You know, our investors have been a very supportive group, been through some tough times, and it certainly took us longer to get to this FDA approval milestone than we originally anticipated. But thankfully we're there now. The market's responded really well, and we think this is just the beginning for us now as we enter a totally new chapter of revenue generation and really sort of getting into a new business model in terms of generating revenue and sales and really de-risking our entire portfolio. So we think this is an excellent opportunity. Our valuation is still, I think, remarkably low given the fact that we have an FDA-approved product. We're launching commercially in the early part of next year, and we have several other assets in the pipeline that are coming up behind it. So I think it's an exciting time and really well worth taking another look at Q Biomed as we enter into a new chapter.
We look forward to seeing you in the winter next year, 2020, February 5th, for our winter pitch event.